Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up a bank transfer. Open the Zelle app on your smartphone. If you don't have the app, download it from your device's app store. Log in using your email or phone number linked to your bank account. Once logged in, navigate to the home screen of the app. Find and tap on the Send Money or Transfer option. Enter the recipient's email address or phone number. Double-check that the information entered is correct. Next, input the amount you wish to transfer. Optionally, you can add a note describing the transaction. Tap on Continue to proceed to the confirmation screen. Review the transaction details carefully. Ensure that all information is accurate, including the amount. Once confirmed, tap on Send to complete the transaction. You will receive a confirmation notification regarding the transfer. Ensure that you keep an eye on your email or phone for updates. If you encounter any issues, consult Zelle's help section for assistance. Always remember to log out of the app when you're finished. This enhances the security of your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and correct. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.